What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you a way how to win up to 1 million coins on Tango. Go ahead and open up your Tango account guys, and here if you click your profile on the upper left hand side, you will see a bunch of special programs here. One of them is actually games. So if you tap on that, it says at the bottom, win up to 1 million coins. And you can do that and win that by simple playing these games. So if you scroll on, you have a bunch of different games that you can play, guys. So just go ahead and start playing those games. You can simply open up them and you can basically have a chance to win up to 1 million coins by simply playing them. And as you can see here, it says, for example, when you look in the crash ones, it says Tango space XY, it says max multiplier X 10,000, right? So you can simply go through, and these are various numbers, guys. If you have time and you want to go through these, you have the chance to win up to 1 million coins by simply playing these different games available. So if you're a gamer and you love these kind of stuff, then here's a chance for you to make real coins with Tango. Win up to 1 million coins. As you can see, I have 15 there. So if I start playing right now, I can boost up myself and get more coins. Very easy and very simple.